Hello my Myntra Beauty fam, welcome back to the Myntra Beauty channel. The Met Gala has just passed and there were tons and tons of monochromatic looks that I loved this time, especially the few that you can see over here on the screen. However, this look by Jennie was definitely one of my absolute favorites. It's such a fresh, summery look that is very easy to do and very wearable at the same time. So in today's video, I will be recreating Jennie's Met Gala makeup look.
Starting with the Color Bar Primer just on my nose and also on the areas where I have open pores, and then we want a full coverage base just like Jennie's, which is her usual base in general also. So I use the Instant Age Rewind Concealer from Maybelline. It gives really good coverage, is very buildable, and that's kind of what I like about it. And also we have our Estee Lauder Stay in Place foundation. This is a really power packed foundation. I am trying to add on the coverage as much as possible just to get that flawless base like Jennie's. After that, we just set it all with the Swiss Beauty Loose Setting Powder. This is a very light powder which is kind of really nice during the summers. Then I just set my brows. Jennie's brows are very sparse. Mine are sparse as well, but slightly heavier than hers. So I just kind of lightly filled it in, and then we just bronze all over the face to get that chiseled look, as close as we can get. After which I applied the Maybelline Fit Me blush. This is such a beautiful cool tone pink blush. I also used it right on top of my lid just to go ahead with the monochromatic theme that is in her look. And yeah, that's what the beginning looks like. After which I added a pink eyeshadow, and I'm also going to top it up with some bronzer right under the eye just to add some depth. I also added a little bit of the golden shimmer to my lid just to add some lightness, but we will cover it up with a lighter highlighter afterward to match the color. This is how the eye looks so far. I added this MAC mascara, which is so good, so buildable, and also did my lashes off camera. Then again the highlighter just to lighten the color and match the pink. I love the NYX Epic Ink Liner. Just lined the top of my lashes just like Jennie's. Just added highlighter right under my eye and a little above the cheekbone, just how she's done it. That's not how I would do it, but this is what the look requires, so we're going to go ahead with it and do a few touch-ups here and there. So now getting the lip color was the most complicated part, so I had to mix 3 shades together to get something as close to the picture as I possibly could. I love all 3 of these lip products. The Smashbox lipstick is great, so is the Estee Lauder, and so is this Bobbi Brown gloss. I also kind of mimic her little beauty mark on top of her eye, and yeah, that's the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I tried to go as close as possible.
It was so much fun recreating this one, and I've made my Myntra Beauty switch. Have you? I hope you enjoyed this video and found this useful. Bye.